Hello and what's up guys, I welcome you to the 11th video of the series HTML CSS full course for beginners. So today in this video I'm going to show you how can you add videos to your website. So for that let me show you my folder. You can see I have one video, that is my intro video, and I have one JPG image, and this is my index.html file. Okay, so let's move to our VS Code, and for adding videos we have a video tag in HTML5, and inside this video tag we have source, that is src. Inside this source we have to write the name of our video with its extension. So just write the name of your video and with its extensions. Now go to your browser and just see what is happening. You can see the video has been the video is showing right here, but it is not playing, and it is just overflowing from the screen. So let adjust its width first. Okay, so for that we have a property, that is, or attribute you can say, that is width, and I will define it to 500 pixels. So what is pixels we'll discuss in when we will discuss about the CSS. I will tell you what is pixel is. Okay, so let's go to our browser. Here you can see now it's looking good. Okay, so but it is not playing. So to play that we have another attribute, that is controls. And now go to your browser. Now you can see guys, we have these controls right here. If I will now click on this, it will start playing. Now you can see it is playing, and you can just adjust it volume, okay, according to your requirement, and you can just make it full screen. Okay, you can just come here, and when you click on this it will just minimize, or you can just do it using your escape key, and after that you can see the three dots. So click on these three dots, you can see a download option and a picture in pictures option. Okay, so if you click on this download option, it will download this video to your PC. Okay, now if I click on this picture on in picture, you can see this video is playing right here. If I click on this play button, it will start playing. Okay, so let me close this. So now to make it autoplay, we have another attribute, that is autoplay. You will just use this attribute autoplay just simply. Now go to your browser, and just you can see it is auto playing. Okay, so now let me show you how can you mute your video. For that we have another attribute, that is muted. Okay, if you write muted, then you can just see there is no sound in the video. So I hope you understand this. So guys, now let me show you how can you add a thumbnail to your video. So for that, just let me just first remove this autoplay right here, because I don't need this right now. And right now we have another attribute, that is poster. Okay, and inside this poster I will just give the name of my JPG image. Okay, so I will write here img.jpg. And now if I will go to my browser, now you can see my image is showing right here. If I click on this play button, the video will be played. I hope guys you have understand this video, and if you have not accessed the playlist of this series, then go and just access it right now. So see you guys in the next video.